Hey guys, it's Liz again from the Lemon Bowl, and I wanted to go live again today to show you one of my favorite salad dressing recipes. Summertime is all about salad, and I think that salad shouldn't be boring. So today I wanted to share a ginger salad dressing, and it's like your favorite dressing from the Japanese steakhouses, but this is going to be a bit healthier and lighter because it is swimsuit season, right? Okay, so I'm gonna hand the camera to my photographer Raul, and he's gonna take over while I show you the quick and easy 5-ingredient ginger salad dressing. Do you wanna say hi first? Introduce yourself? Come on.
Hi.
He's shy. He's camera shy.
Camera shy.
He's not at all. Okay, so obviously I just have here your typical green salad. Whatever you want to get. Right now we've got tomatoes in season, lettuce is at the farmer's market, but use whatever salad and vegetables you have on hand. You could even use this vinaigrette over grilled vegetables, whatever you have. It couldn't be easier. To start, you've got a little brown sugar, that's the first ingredient. Use as much as you like. You could start with a teaspoon or add more or less depending on your desired level of sweetness. And then a little soy sauce. Again, you just want to eyeball it. These are loose measurements. Start with 2 tablespoons and then you can always build from there. And I typically do equal parts rice vinegar to soy sauce. If you don't have rice vinegar, just use lime juice or lemon juice. Lemon juice always works. Okay, now it's all about the ginger. You could use fresh ginger root and you could grate it. I like to use a microplane, or sometimes when I'm in a real hurry, I just use the little tubes that are refrigerated. And I like mine super gingery because I think it gives a nice aroma, flavor, subtle spicy kick, so I do about a tablespoon. And then for added toastiness, I like to do a little sesame oil. And it's super toasty and delicious. Hey, I need a fork.
You need a fork?
He can't get me a fork. Hold on. Okay, so all you do is whisk this together. You can always taste it for seasoning. Another thing, if you want things to be on the spicier side, you could use a little sriracha or sambal or even chopped up chilies. So you just pour it over the dressing, over the salad, and I like to go around the edge, and that way as you toss it together, everything, the tongs will bring it all together, evenly incorporated. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions about salad dressings, just let me know. I make homemade salad dressings almost every night. It's just really simple and easy. You just need to have a good balance of sweet, salty, sour, and then sometimes a little spicy if you like that. So check out my ginger salad dressing and have a good rest of your day. Bye.